I want to use this opportunity to greet everybody in the house. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. Okay? Now, you came for combo cards reward on Pixeltab, and that is what we are going to be doing right straight in this video. So we are going to be heading directly to rewards section. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, then you just have to know that you are missing a lot. I must put it that way. You are missing a lot. Make sure to subscribe right now and also turn on the notification so that anytime we drop any videos and useful contents, you are going to be first. You are going to be the first to be notified. Okay? So once you come over to the reward section right now, you click on daily combo. So if you click on daily combo now, you are then going to drag the image here. Just make sure you are going to get it, and that is why I'm going to be showing you the ones you are going to select for today, and then you can claim your reward. All right. So the first one is this one right here. You just drag it and keep it here. The second one is this one. You drag it from here and you drop here. The third one is this. So now, so you go just carry them, keep them here. And the last one is this first one, aloha, and you keep it right here. So after doing that, you check. So now let's check if we got it. Okay, so we got the combo and we are going to be getting a reward of 432,000 coins, and then you claim. Okay, as simple and as easy as that. Then the next thing that you have to do in order to claim more points on Pixeltab is for you to come right over here, daily reward. So this one is also free points that you get to claim every single day. Then you click on claim right here and boom, you have claimed it. So we can now go back to the end section. If you noticed, okay, so you can see right over here now that I am now having 1,240 pixel coins or points. So if you notice right over here, you could see for yourself that the combo that I claimed was just 432,000 because I have not upgraded my, will I call it my avatar. I've not upgraded it. So if you want to upgrade, you just click on fight. Just click on this fight right over here. You know, fight out your upgrade. So you can see this upgrade here. So I can start upgrading right now. Now for me to enter into level 2, I'll need to upgrade this my avatar, this my energy. So for me to enter into level 2, I'll need to spend up to 5,000 coins, which I'll be doing right now. And after doing that, you are going to see I am now in level 2. And next time I'm about to claim the combo, you yourself, you're going to notice that the amount that I'll be claiming will be bigger than this one that I just claimed. So what am I just trying to say in essence? It's very simple. What I am trying to tell you in essence is that you should try to be upgrading this your boats or this your avatar. Try to upgrade it the more and the more, so that it's going to give you chances of claiming a maximum reward on your combo. Okay, it's as simple and as easy as that. Just keep accumulating and also upgrading, so that you are going to be leveling up and having more chances of getting more coins for yourself. All right, so it's very, very simple and it's very, very easy. Remember, if you haven't registered, You can check the link on the description section of this video. You are going to see the link. Make sure you click on it and make sure you register. Do have a lovely day and see you in my next video.